Hi guys, at Marshbrook Level crossing Shrops with Callow. Gone off early. There we go. Now, time now is 17:34 on Saturday the 8th of August 2015, and this is for our slightly light 1722 666 uniform. Freight service from Crewbass Hall SSM to Miskin, and our 1734 1 Whiskey 66 a retrain to service from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly. So probably going to have another double stay. But this is just for our Manchester Piccadilly, because I don't know about the freight. We've closed quite early. It's due for a past 38 and it's only, what, 35 now? Well, 39, sorry. She's going to pass. I think we got off right first. At least this time the crossing went down on time. Yep, we got off right. As you can just see in that mirror there, signal is set. I think he might be setting the other signal now. Nope. Is this oh no, wait, is this a Colas? I think this is a Colas. I can't see from the front. We have 600696! To that place, and we're staying because we've got our second signal set. This might be my second colours on camera. I'm also running low on battery again. So hippopotamus. I think I hear her. I'm thinking this actually might be a 158 for once. It's probably 175. Because yesterday apparently the search was a 158, same as the day before, so... Pretty old alarm. Very crumpled back. Two double stays so far. Here she is. At least this time she's speedy. Oh yes, it is a 158. We have 158 A32. 158 A32 to Manchester. water and 2, 1. Up we go. Thanks guys, in the next video.